So what you can do is you can go ahead and add in multiple members that you want to collaborate with inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, you need to click on the profile right here. And then what you need to do is go to settings right here. So once you go around and do that, under the workspace, you can see people. And right now you only see one person right here. So in order to go ahead and invite members to actually go ahead and then edit the workspace, you can go around and add some members right here. So I'm just going to go around and type into the tube channel2@gmail.com, just like this. So I'm just going to say YouTube channel2@gmail.com. Just like this. Add this, and I can give a particular rule for this. So I can go around and then change it to plus right here, or I can make them workspace owners as well. So let me just go ahead and make them owners and then send the invite right here, just like this. And once you do that, what happens is that something called team space is actually created right here. So you can see that this has been invited right here, just like this. So it says the changes has not been saved. So let's just go ahead and wait for a while. And now you can see that this member has been invited. Let me just go ahead and add in another member as well. So I'm just going to go around and say YouTube channel channel3@gmail.com right here, just like this. And then add this person in as a workspace member, let's say for example, and send the invite right there. So once you do that, you can see that I have to upgrade to plus for that. I cannot actually go ahead and change that out right here, but you can see that I can change it out into member, a workspace owner right here, just like this. So the invitation gets sent just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and manage out members. And you can even send them the link, and as long as they have access to the particular workspace, they'll be able to go ahead and then access the team space right here. So that is how you can go ahead and change around the members, add in members as you like inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.